Yo, what is good, you two? Coach Mike back. Is it day 19 or something? I think it's day 19 because I screwed up the day yesterday. So it's day 19, it is Easter Sunday, and we're still gonna get a lift in because I'm living in North Carolina. I don't really have any family out here, so nothing to really celebrate. So we're gonna get back to working out, eating chicken and rice. It's a good day. It's nice and 60 degrees out. And yeah, so I'm currently weighing at 234.7. Some of you guys might think I'm bulking now instead of this cutting diet, but no, we're still trying to lose weight. But unfortunately, I'm weighing more than I am than when I started this little series, which I'm not really upset about because I'm pushing more weight in the gym. But I just keep adding on weight. But there's a reason for that because yesterday night I picked up some Domino's and I had a whole medium pizza with cheese, bacon, pepperoni, green peppers. Ate it all in one sitting, and I also got chicken bites that I ate in the same sitting. So that's why my weight's up this morning. But that weight will, once all that food exits my system, that weight's just gonna disappear anyways. So I'm not even that mad because Domino's food has a lot of salt in it. So probably all the salt and all the food I had in the nighttime was the reason I gained like 3 pounds or something stupid. But yeah, that weight will go away, so I'm not even stressing. I was really craving pizza for the longest time, and I had 2 free pizzas from Domino's that I had to pick up. And I still have 1 remaining, and they have a deal going on, $5.99 large pizzas this week. So I kept getting the emails. I'm like, bro, I gotta get one of these pizzas. I'm a huge fanatic of Domino's. Some of the best pizzas out there. I just like Domino's because it's cheap and it just tastes good, and you know what quality product you're gonna get every time. So as long as you pick up the pizza, it's good. It's good stuff. So I really enjoyed that last night. And I also did go after the workout. I went to Qdoba, got a double meat chicken burrito with a bunch of fillings, and it was delicious. I really like Qdoba a lot. Qdoba and Chipotle, but the Qdoba is like right next door, so always on my mind thinking about that Qdoba, because the burritos, man, those burritos are good. So today we are working out, doing cardio, filming videos. I'm liking it because my other channel, my more professional channel, it's even growing over the weekend. I'm what am I at now? Like 83 subscribers away. So I'm at 917 on that channel. So 83 more subs. I usually get like, on the lower end, I'll probably get like 35 subs a week. So it should be coming up pretty quickly. And I want to start going on overdrive with that channel, pumping out more videos, which I don't even know how I can do that because I already put like 1 out a day. But we'll see how I'm feeling today. I might put up 2 on that channel. I'm really trying to hammer out that 1,000 sub goal because that'll be awesome. And once I get over that goal, man, the sky's the limit because that's the goal you need to get monetized. Like, I just need that 1,000 subscribers. I'm already like double the watch hours for the requirement. So a lot more people are watching my videos than they are subscribing. So, which is, I get it because it's like tutorials and someone's only gonna watch my video like maybe once they have issues and probably might not watch it ever again. But a lot of my viewers do return, which is funny. If you look at the statistics, it's like 20% of my viewers return my videos, so I must be doing something pretty well, or they just like my style. Yep. So we have the gym fit on. We have the pink shorts, the Gucci Gymshark shirt, and gonna make the shake. We got the rare teal shaker cup. Had to wait in line to get that one. And pre-workout, we got the bucked up orange. So we're just gonna snag a scoop of that in there. And then we're gonna snag a scoop of this extra citrulline, craziest brand, Nutricross. Got it off Amazon. This thing's like a tub. to I never had one of their products before, but you know, citrulline is like just citrulline, you know? I don't know how you can really F it up. 3 grams per serving. And then we have to get the creatine, obviously. So we'll just do a scoop of that. And yeah, Easter Sunday. Usually on Easter, I don't know, my family really doesn't really do anything besides like, you know, my brother, sister, and like my mom. But we used to like as kids get together with like grandma and grandpa and stuff like that because we had a huge like extended family because my mom had like 7 brothers and sisters. So they all had kids, and next thing you know, it's just like a giant party at grandma and grandpa's. But you know, when they start getting their own families, it's kind of like you kind of do your own thing on Easter, which I get, but you know, it'd be nice to reconnect with all of them again sometime. But you know, people grow up and people grow out of things. But yeah, otherwise, Easter we just do something small in my immediate family, like food usually revolves around food. Big food fanatics, probably go to church and stuff like that. But maybe next year we'll get together and do something for Easter. I see my family all the time because I travel a lot, so it's not like we're missing out on much. But yeah, we get the scoop right here. I don't know. I feel like a lot of people my age, you know, they just hang out with their family on Easter, which is pretty cool. The scoop of protein. So we got the protein for the after workout for cardio. So what am I doing today? I need to do shoulders. So I'll probably do like high rep shoulders, and I've been doing like more full body workouts just because like I feel I want to do it more. There's really no specific reason. It might not be the best way to work out, but I like doing it. It gets me in the gym. I like hitting a lot of body parts when I work out now. Even though it's only been a couple of days, but I like doing it because you know I like bench pressing. I like doing arms all the time. I like doing shoulders, back's okay, legs every once in a while. But yeah, I just like doing it, and it just feels good. It feels like I make more gains when I work out like stuff more consistently. So I'll probably start doing that. Like not because a lot of these weight loss, or these weight strength programs, they'll do like 2 body parts a day, which you know is pretty standard. But I like doing more, so I'll do it my way because I enjoy it. No really science behind it. I just like doing, you know, getting a quick pump and doing cardio and just feeling good. You know, as long as you're in the gym, working out, getting healthier, it's good for you. You know, it's not like I'm just sitting on the couch all day not working out. You know, I feel like I have to work out all the time now. It just feels good. You know, it feels good to get in the gym, pump some weights, and just like my lifestyle right now. So after the gym, I need to go to the grocery store. Hopefully it's open since it's Easter. I'm not sure if it's going to be open, but hopefully it is. I don't know. There's a ton of grocery stores out here. I feel like since I live in a more bigger city, the grocery stores will be open today. And if I'm lucky, I can't get Chipotle again, dude. I can't get a Chipotle at Qdoba again. I literally go like 4 or 5 times a week, and it's gotta stop because when I go, it's like a $20 meal. So yeah, I just need to pick up like Coke Zeros. I'm good on chicken, potatoes, Coke Zeros, chicken. No, Coke Zeros. Pretty much Coke Zeros and like some other stupid stuff. Hot sauce. So we'll probably do that after the gym. And I definitely do need to do 30 minutes of cardio today since I gained all that weight. Hopefully I could be under 231 after today because I'm just going to consume a bunch of water, not intake. Well, I'll have 1 meal with carbs after, but after that, I'm not eating like carbs. I'll just have cucumbers and some other crap, I guess. So that'll be the video for today. Hope you guys enjoy your Easter. I know I am. And have a good Easter, have a good lift, enjoy the day, enjoy Sunday, and I will catch you for day 20 tomorrow.